Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be speaking about fragrances here. If you are the person that is discovering different type of perfume and likes to listen to the stories of the perfumes, keep on watching this channel and let's see what maybe something interesting you will hear today. Today, actually, I would like to talk about this perfume. It's basically Born Lovely by Sarah Jessica Parker. So it's going to be like a unboxing video or first impressions type of video. And this is a super small type of bottle. I think it's a roller. And I only tried this Sarah Jessica Parker, that very common one, lovely perfume. I liked it at the beginning, but I really got bored at the end and I gave it to someone else. So because it was slightly, used to have this strong smell, which is pleasant, but if you smell it for too long, it becomes very sickening type of perfume. So I decided to give it to someone else, and this perfume is new. I already have my own opinion about it, even though I haven't smelled it yet, but I think I tested it at some point long time ago. So my opinion before opening it is that I wouldn't purchase this perfume as a special perfume. I think it might be white floral perfume, and I think I will not like it. So basically, with this note, we can start opening this perfume. But so far, I want to tell you that my scent of the day yesterday was this Eccentric Molecules. It's my favorite perfume so far. I get a lot of compliments with it. Yesterday, I started to feel slightly bored with it for some reason, but it happens very often. And today's scent of the day is Zara Vibrant Leather. I'm actually finishing already, and this Vibrant Leather is actually really worth buying, and I'm really thinking of getting it a second bigger bottle this time, and because it's pleasant. It's actually for man, and it's a dupe for Aventus, Aventus perfume. I will just wait until the plane will go away. One moment. It's really sometimes happens like that when you do videos. So really, I recommend you guys to get it. Even though you are a lady, try to wear this one. It's very pleasant. I think it's very suitable for let's say if you go to work. It's quite suitable, even though it has some sharpness. Without further ado, we're gonna open this perfume. So let's unbox it. So basically, unbox it and let's see those first impressions. So looks like this one, basically it's a roller, this perfume, and we will smell it. In the notes, I remember that it had basically, in the notes it had orange, mandarin, it had patchouli, it had cinnamon, I think, and it had cedar wood as well, and it also had a blushing freesia. I don't know why did they say blushing. So for me, I think that I will not like it, but we can just try it, who knows. The price of it is kind of medium price, around 50-40 or something like that. Sometimes you can find extreme type of promotions of these Sarah Jessica Parker perfumes. So let's open it. Is there any I think what they do is basically Born Lovely is the name, so it's kind of like they say celebration of a femininity from inside, that's what they say. Let's try it on. Let's just try it on with this perfume. No need to wait very long. Yesterday I tried Armani My Way. It's kind of not too bad, that perfume, but this one, I don't know. There is also cassis in the note. Cassis, so that's what I feel immediately. So I think what I feel a lot is at the beginning is cassis. If you know what it is, cassis, it's actually in the Zara perfume as well. What's the coral cassis is the name. So it's basically clean white florals, a very super simple type of. What I don't like right now is that it's actually started to fade away very quick, so it's not strong perfume. Basically, it's like white florals, cassis, you know. I don't feel like loads of woody notes. It's more like white florals and slightly sweet, but not too much. There is not a lot of sweetness over here. Clean white florals with cassis, guys. It's definitely not worth purchasing unless if you like a very simple type of clean perfume, like let's say Calvin Klein Beauty, you know, those type of purple type of liquid, you know. It's kind of as if it would be those type of Calvin Klein type of clean scents, you know, but less strength, even less strength than those. So like, no, I would say the verdict would be no, unless if you like not strong perfume. I would say it's not like I don't like, but it's super simple type of, you know, super simple white floral perfume. It's like, I would say, guys, it's like absolutely nothing special about it. Very, very simple. That's all. I wouldn't enjoy it, you know. I wouldn't enjoy it like, there's no way I could enjoy this fragrance. There's nothing in it. And also it kind of fades away within time, so not worth a purchase. That's what I could say, guys, unfortunately. Have you ever seen this fragrance before? Have you ever, like myself, for example, I'm gonna spray with Zara Vibrant Leather right now, so to finish up, this one is immediately when you spray it on with Vibrant Leather, you can immediately feel the, you know, that that perfume will stay a little bit with you, and it's very, very pleasant. So I like Vibrant Leather. But this one is like, it's like completely gone from my skin, so no, guys, no, no, and no. So that would be my short video about it. I hope you will have a beautiful day as always, and remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and we will meet again in another video. Have a beautiful day, guys, and bye-bye.